I'm still going through my piles, of course, of things that I'm bringing out to Burning Man this year, or some things that I'm actually leaving at home. So I figured that I should probably do some of these videos that, suggestions or hints for you all as they're coming up, as I'm packing. So I've got a few for this video, so let's get into it. As I was going through all my gear, I was counting how many 18-inch I have and how many 12-inch I have. And then I was looking at my adapters, and I was able to find the adapter for my 12-inch. So this is a 3/8 head. For the life of me, I cannot find the 1/2-inch head. So this is just a reminder, go through your gear. I'm ordering a new one. I'm sure I will find it. It might be in my impact driver bag, but just in case, make sure that you have it. Some of you who it might be your first year, maybe you're not used to camping, but you're gonna need a container to use the restroom at night, okay? For your tent or your RV, especially if you're not using the restroom in your RV. Nice sturdy handle on it, and a wide mouth is always good. And this is great. I wish that I could remember the person who had suggested this to me, but look at the size of this thing. The great thing about this funnel is it has a really wide opening, so you're not going to backfill. So this will work with people too. So you put this over in that and you're good to go. Have a gray water container. This is going to be for any drinks I might not want to finish, brushing your teeth, any type of liquid food like a soup. You're going to be putting you wash your face, whatever, it's going to be put into here. You're going to be taking this off the playa with you.